Go.
Good morning. Hello, everyone. Thank you for staying with us for this portion. For those of you who saw my cooking demo, you know that one of the things that I like to do before I start with the activity is share something. And so because I can't get you to share as fast as I can, I'll beat you to it. So what I wanted to share today is something that was so absolutely simple and lovely. I was walking the other evening in my neighborhood with my dog, and a lot, as you all know, all the kids are home, and they're out doing sidewalk art with chalk. And what a long lost art that is, coming back in. And one of the pieces of art stopped my attention, and it was a picture of a chalkboard with a little square on top and a piece of chalk in it, and it said, "Please write something happy below, replace the chalk, and let someone else have their turn." And so I crouched down and wrote the words, "Love overcomes fear." So they were powerful. Well, I guess.
I'm glad I'm not the only one that does
I guess Dr. Wallader and I are on the same page. All right, so thank you for that moment of reality. With that being said, if you see something fantastic that you want to share, put it in the comments below so our community can read your experiences. With that being said, I want to make a really quick smoothie, and this is a non-traditional kind of smoothie because we all know how to mix non-dairy milk and fruit and berries and things like that. So this one is going to mix up 5 ingredients. And so I just want to talk really quickly about each one. The first one is lacinato kale, otherwise known as dinosaur kale. This is one of my favorites in the kale family, and this is rich in vitamin K, which is really important, piggybacking off Dr. Wilder's comment about abnormal blood clotting. Vitamin K helps regulate that physiological response, and it's also rich in magnesium, high in fiber, and a little bit of vitamin C. So this is one of my go-tos, a green leafy for every patient every day, if not a couple. And then moving over here, we have nature's best 2 sources of vitamin C. This is fresh lemon and fresh orange. We're going to mix all those 2 things together, and we all know that vitamin C boosts our immune system, and what better way to get it than from food, and also intact with all the fiber, which is the benefit of using a blender, is all of the skin and nutrients there come around. And then I'm going to add in some freshly chopped ginger, which is really powerful. You can't see this as well in this little container, but it is therapeutic just cutting it up, I have to say. And then I'm going to put in a small amount of raw local honey to help as an antifungal, antimicrobial, antibacterial. And it's important if you can find it as a local honey so it fits your immune system. So with that being said, I'm just going to carefully put all of this into the blender. This is about a cup's worth of kale, maybe a smidge more. You guys know me, I always end up making more. An entire whole orange, de-seeded, and a small lemon, also de-seeded. And then I'm going to put in a teaspoon of fresh ginger, and then that teaspoon of immune boosting honey, okay, and it's going to get noisy, just bear with me. Yeah, and you might want to add a little bit of water like we're going to do here until the orange starts breaking up and providing its natural juice. And you can add some coconut water to this also if you like that flavor and get some natural electrolytes in there. We're gonna go for the Look at that beautiful green emerald color. And then you can make, this is actually quite a bit. This could be a full portion for one person, or you could easily share this among multiple people. Enjoy.
To your health. Oh, we'll share.
I'm going to have Dr. Wilder give us a taste.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining in. We'll be back again next week.
That's yummy.
Isn't that nice?
I love
So amazingly refreshing, and simple ingredients. Probably have all these around your house anyway. And if you don't, next time you do go to the store, you can load up on them.
Right. Take care. Thank you. See you next week.
Bye-bye.
Next week we have Dr. Lisa Stroman and Dr. Bill Stroman together. So the focus will really be on maintaining our mental wellness through this challenging time. So look forward to that and see you next week. Thanks so much for sharing this with everyone and for getting people on board on our Brilliant Health community. Really, really appreciate it. Take care.
Thank you. Be well.